The students, just now I recorded, again I find it was not recorded. So I'm repeating the same video again. So now is balancing the chemical equation. Okay, this is chemical balancing. I'll just do only one example, step by step. The first thing is, before that, let me come. There is something called oxidation reaction. And oxidation is nothing, it is the losing of electrons. Don't try to know much from environmental point of view. It is just the losing of the electrons. And another one is called reduction. Reduction is gaining of electrons. Okay, so say for example, there is an ion called A. He is giving out electron. One concept you have to remember is that when someone gives out electron, someone has to take the electron. If I want to give out my food, someone has to take it. Then the reaction between me and the other person will happen. If someone is not there to accept my electron, reaction will not be there. Okay. So A is given an electron, and this B is accepting this electron. Okay. Then the product will be AB. Is it okay? Now this A that's giving on electron, the process is going on. This oxidation process is going on. The process is called oxidation, or I will say A is oxidized. B is getting the electron, so this process is called reduction. That means B is I'll say reduced. Okay, so oxidation and reduction always goes together. Someone is oxidizing, someone has to be reduced. Fine. Since B is the ion that is responsible for the oxidation of A, the B is also called sometimes the oxidizing agent. And A is called the reducing agent. Okay, in simple terminology, A is losing the electrons, he is going on oxidation, and he is oxidized. And B is getting the electron, and he is getting reduction, so B is reduced. So A is called the reducing agent and B is called the oxidizing agent. Fine. So what happened is, this A is oxidized to some A minus or A plus something. This process is called first half reaction. Half reaction. And this second is called second half reaction. This, both the half reaction is going to combine to give a complete reduction. Okay, let me check, my video is still going on. Fine. Okay, so to make the things very easy, let me give you one example, chemical balance equation, and then you'll get it. I just put a piece of water, some molecules of water. Okay. One example, what I'll do right now here is, say, oh, a lot of water is there. Oxidation of C6H12O6. This glucose is going to oxidize to carbon dioxide. Okay, number one. He is going to lose electron. And then another one is reduction of Cr2O7, the chromium ions is going to reduce to chromium 3 plus. These two combined, this is one half reaction, this is another first half reaction. This is first half, this is second half. So these two combined, we are going to get complete reaction. Okay. Now let's do with the first half. So I'll say C6H12O6 is going to oxidize to carbon dioxide. Okay. In the chemical balancing equation, the first is the oxidation number. There are 4 steps. Oxidation number. See, what is the oxidation number of carbon over here and what is the oxidation of carbon over here? I'll tell you how to find. This is C, so this is X into 6 plus hydrogen is 1, balance C plus 1 into 12 plus oxygen is minus 2 into 6. There is no charge over here, so it's equal to 0. Okay, so there is 6s plus 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. So can I say x is equal to 0? Fine. For this sign, since 6 hydrogen is there, try to equate the number 6 carbon dioxide. For this, there is x plus minus 2 into 2 is equal to 0. Okay, this minus 2. Oxygen is minus 2. Implies to x is equal to plus 4. Okay, look here. Since there's 6 molecule, there will be 6x. Therefore, here is 6x is equal to 4 into 6 is equal to 24. So now, in oxidation number, what happened is, from the left side, 0 is gone to 24. First oxidation balance. Okay. So 0 is going to 24. Fine. You have to keep it in mind. Copy down this one. And then so what happened is, so this equation becomes C6H12O6 is gone to 6CO2. There is oxidation number is 0 to 24. So since 24 is there, you have to add another 24 electron. To negate this oxidation number 24, we put 24 electron. Oxidation number is plus, so we are putting 24 minus. This step is called number 2, electron balance. Okay, so now this is number 2. Number 3 is, we call it charge balance. Number 3 is charge balance. So 24 electron here, there is no charge. So the equation becomes C6H12O6 6CO2 plus 24 electron. And the charge balance should be done by protons, hydrogen ions. So plus 24H plus. So 24, there is no charge. So till equation number 3, oxidation number is balanced, electron is balanced, and charge is also balanced. Okay. Then number 4. Number 4, we call it water balance. Okay. You see over here, there is 12, hydrogen is 12, oxygen is 6. Here hydrogen is 24, oxygen is 6 to the 12. Okay. So what happened is this 12 and 24 cut. You can say 12 is left, 6, 12, 6 is left. That means the right side is having 12 plus and 6. So the final equation you can obtain is C6 H12 O6. Here 12 hydrogen is more. So we can say 6 H2O gives 6 CO2 plus 24 electron plus 24 proton. So this equation is the final equation, half equation. We're adding this part. We're adding this, we're adding this, and we're adding this. Okay? So glucose is oxidized to carbon dioxide, giving out 24 electron and 24 proton, and it consumes 6 molecules of water. Okay. So again I'm repeating. Let me check the video is there. Again I'm repeating. There are 4 steps. The first step, you have to check the oxidation number. The oxidation number is from 0 to 4 plus, but however 6 molecules are there, therefore 0 is going to 24. 0 to 24. So first oxidation is identified. Second is electron balance. Since 24 is there, we have added 24 electron over here. So electron is balanced. Next one is proton balance or charge balance. It is done by here no charge, 24 negative, so 24 proton we put. Final is water molecule balance. So after checking hydrogen and oxygen over here, we know that if we put 6 molecules of water over here, this side, all the things will check. So total is 12 plus 12, 24 hydrogen, 6 plus 6 oxygen, it's 6 to the 12, 6 oxygen is there. 6 carbon, 6 carbon. So it is completely balanced. This is first half reaction. Okay? So let me write over here, finally, plus 6 molecule of water gives down 6 CO2 plus 24 electron plus 24 proton. This is one half reaction. Okay? Now let me do with the remaining second part. The second part equation is the reduction of chromium 6 to chromium 3. I'll do it. Okay. See over here. The second half is your Cr2O7 2 minus is going to Cr3 plus. What is the first step? Oxidation. So here chromium is X twice X plus minus 2 into 7 equal to charge is 2 minus, so minus 2. Okay, the other side, this is X is equal to plus 3. Now since this is 2, try to add 2 over here. Here twice X minus 14 is equal to minus 2. X is equal to plus 6. Minus 2 minus 14 plus 12. 12 by 2, 6. Okay? So here oxidation number is 6 plus and here oxidation number is 3 plus. That means this is a hexavalent chromium. This is hexavalent. Hexavalent chromium. This is 3, this is trivalent chromium. Okay, now since this is 2 chromium, we can say 2x is equal to plus 12 is gone to, this is 2, that's 2 into 3 is equal to 6 plus. Okay, so 12 is gone to 6. Now you can see here oxidation number is 12, oxidation number is 3. The left side is 12, right side is 6. So first step, you have to add plus 6 electron. This is the second step, electron balance. Okay, so can I say over here, can I say plus 6 electron? Okay, the third step is, I told you, hydrogen balance. Number 3 is charge or hydrogen balance. You can see over here, the charge is -2 plus -6. So this is -8. This side is plus 3, 2 3 is 6, is equal to plus 6, right? So -8 is going to plus 6. If plus 6 is over here, can I say like, it is just like -8 minus 6 is gone to 0. So this is -14 is 0. Okay. So the next step, number 3 is, if -14 is there, you have to add plus 14 proton. So I'm adding here 14H plus. Is that okay? 14H plus. So some students used to say, sir, instead of -8 and -6 we brought it here, can we do in such a way that -8 and plus 6 only, this can be say -2 and this side is 0. Okay, this also I'll explain. So now can I say up to here it's fine. Okay, up to here. So here's step number 1, oxidation is balanced, electron is balanced, hydrogen is balanced. Now the final is step number 4, that is water balance. You can see here 14 hydrogen and 7. Here hydrogen is 14, oxygen is 7. This side there is no hydrogen, neither oxygen. So this side there should be 7 molecules of 7H2O. Is it correct? So I'll put here 7H2O. Is it okay? So this is the final second half reaction. Because here is 14, 7, there is 7H2O is left over here, so we put it here. Okay. In case, if you say the charge balance, let's do in such a way that it's -2 and 0. There is -8 to 6, it can be -2 is to 0. Then, if this is -2, you have to add not 14H plus, but 2H plus. If instead of 14H plus, if you put only 2H plus, then hydrogen is 2, only 1 molecule of water can be added over here, lot of oxygen is left. So rather you completely transfer to make the balance easy. Okay, so this is how much? Oh, I missed it. 14H plus. Okay, fine. Now combining these two, the first and second half reaction, what you obtain is, you see over here, C6H12O6 plus 6 molecules of water plus Cr2O7 2 minus plus 6 electron plus 14 molecules of hydrogen ion. This is going to give out 6 molecule of carbon dioxide plus 24 electron plus 24 What is that? 6 carbon dioxide, 24 electron, 24 hydrogen plus 2 molecules of chromium 3 plus 7 molecules of water. This is the ultimate result. From here again, what you can do is 6 molecule of water and 7 of molecule of water can be cancelled. You can get only 1. So the final equation is C6H12O6 plus Cr2O7 2 minus 6 molecule of water 7. This will be strike off. They will come on the other side. Okay, they will come on the other side. 6 electron and 24 electron. This also will be gone, and then here you will get 18. So 1, 2, water molecule will not be there, 6 electron will not be there, 14 hydrogen, 24, this also will be gone. This will give the product 6CO2 plus 2Cr3 plus, what about the electron? This is 24 electron, 6 electron, so plus 18 electron. What about hydrogen? 14 and 24, hydrogen 10 plus 10 hydrogen plus, what about the water molecule? Only 1 is left, plus 1 molecule. So this is the final answer of the combined 2-half reaction. Is that okay? So glucose and chromium ions, when they combine, they give out 6 molecules of carbon dioxide plus 2 molecules of chromium ions, 3 chromium 3 plus 8 electron plus 10 molecules of proton plus a water molecule. Now this one you can check whether carbon is 6, hydrogen is 12, hydrogen is 10 plus 2 is 12, oxygen is 6 plus 7, 13 oxygen. So here is 6 is a 12 plus 1, 13 oxygen, 2 chromium, fine. What about it? So this is the complete final reaction. Okay, is it fine? So this is about the 2 oxidation and the reduction reaction combined to do it. Now, just before finishing up, let me check. Now, let me begin again. First one is oxidation balance. Oxidation number has to be changed from the left side to the right side. How much the oxidation number is changed? So where oxidation number more is there, you have to go for the second step. That is the electron. Okay, I won't cover it up. There is the electron. You have to add the electron balance. Number third is the left side, right side. You have to check, and extra electrons has to be negated by addition of proton, H plus. Third step. Fourth step, left and right you check, and you add the water molecules automatically. So 1/2 reaction, second half reaction, all the left side, you combine it, right side product you combine it, and if any extra electrons are there, 24 and 6, we removed it, we put it 18 over here. What about hydrogen? 14 and 24 in the product gain mode is this, so we 10 we put it here. Water molecule, 6 molecule and 7 molecule, 1 molecule we added it here, and the 2 compounds. Okay, this is about chemical balance equation. So there are a lot of examples in your Sawyer McCarthy book. You can give it a try. So thank you, dear students.